what's going on in the AI world this week, and this came up as one. I was like, man, this is a great resource, especially for small business owners that maybe they don't want to hire somebody to come do it. Maybe there's somebody on your staff that could learn how to do it. And these training things are great. I think they're pretty fascinating. And if you see the calendar,
SBDCnet.org.
You got it.
Is that right?
And you find your local one. So you click like into California, where I'm at, and you can say, okay, there's 56 offices in California.
Amazing.
Which is amazing, right?
Yeah, right. Yeah,
and then you say, okay, on-demand training. They have live workshops and on-demand training. You can just take these. There's tons of stuff. Startup, pre-planning, accounting, and then they've just added this AI. On demand. Let me go back. They just added a whole slew of AI stuff, and
amazing.
I think it's awesome. Yeah,
I think that's awesome too. Oh man.
Yeah. So I just wanted to point out that resource. Make sure that if you want to learn about more and diving into this stuff, go jump in and teach yourself.